win our litters right and help save wildlife by fighting the deadliest monsters together. Having said that, let's give it up for Lynn and Gabby. Alright, just a gentle reminder to have your mask on at all times. Thank you. Alright, so for the next segment, we'll be meeting volunteers. So if anyone's interested, just raise your hands and get the attention of my trainer right up there. But please do not go towards her. Alright, and she might just pick you. Alright, so here in the Jurong Bird Park, we give our birds fun activities to do that are similar to what they do in the wild. Now that is called enrichment. So the volunteer is holding on to an enrichment device for which the birds will be landing on in a very short while. Alright, now if everyone is ready, keep your eyes right over here and let's welcome our beautiful corneas. Okay, I see the first one is making his way out. And off he goes. Okay, so this will be joined by a total of 6 corneas. So let's give them a little bit more time to get ready. Alright, and one more is still over there. And off it goes. Alright, and those are our corneas. Let's give them a big hand, everyone. Alright, so corneas, they can be found in the forest of South America. And this afternoon, we have 2 different species of corneas. So the ones with the more greenish feathers on its wings, now those are called the Gende corneas. Or the other 3 with the more slightly yellowish feathers, those are called the sun corneas. Now did you know that other than these 2 types of corneas in the world, there are over a total of 40 different species of corneas. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? Alright, so some of you might be wondering, what is this enrichment device that the volunteer is holding on, right? Now that is called a monkey cage. It consists of ropes being tied into a knot. And inside those knots, we have placed special treats such as nutritional pellets, sunflower seeds, and even a variety of nuts for them to find. So did you know that corneas, they are a popular house pet? And looks like they have all hidden back. Alright, you know what? Let's give our corneas a big hand, everyone. Zoom on that. Alright, so what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sound. And the yellow-necked Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to mimic human sounds. Alright, so everyone, get your video cameras ready. Alright, so we start off with something simple, alright? How about a nice hello? Hello! Wow, what a nice hello indeed. Alright, now I'm going to get the bird to introduce himself to everyone here, alright? So, how about you tell everyone here, what's your name? Did everyone catch that? Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, so can you tell us what's your name? Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo. There's so many people today. So, what do you say to all these nice people? Amigo asked how is everyone today. What a polite bird. Alright, now Amigo here is also a very intelligent bird because you can count from 1 to 10. First, in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A perfect 10. Well done, Amigo. Alright, now Amigo is going to impress you all even further by counting in Chinese. Alright, now not only can Amigo count, but he can sing as well. And he's going to sing for us 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song is a local Chinese song titled 客人来, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing for us in Mandarin?
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我是客人，是作家，把日子在家。
Well done, Amigo. Then there you have it. 客人来 word for word. Alright, now the second song originates from Indonesia and it is called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Alright, amigo, can you sing for us? Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat lunas sayang, sayang.
Hey, chirpy little song. Okay, now it's time for the last song. But before Amigo sings, can I have a raise of hand? Is anyone celebrating your birthday today?
No.
Alright, anyone? How about this row? Anyone? Alright. Okay, you know what? Let's move on to the middle one. Okay. 1, 2, any more? 3. Okay, how about the last row? Anyone? This one? Alright, 4. Okay, we have 4 people celebrating their birthday today. Alright, now for the 4 of you, this song is for you. Alright, amigo, are you ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
A very happy birthday to the 4 of you, and thank you for celebrating your birthday right here at the bird park. Now, Amigo here has done a wonderful job this afternoon, and it is time for Kip and I to head back. But before we leave, Amigo, is there anything you want to say to everyone?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, James and Amigo. Can we give them a big hand, everyone? How about that? Now, parrots like Amigo, they are very, very hard to upkeep as they require a lot of time and commitment. Now, they can be very loud and noisy as well, and some can even live up to 80 years. So please do think twice, if not even thrice, before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? Now, the next 2 birds joining us, they are going to show all of you just how loving hornbills can be. So everyone keep your eyes back there. Let us welcome Vicky, our great white hornbill. Good afternoon, Vicky. Now, great white hornbills, like Vicky here, they can be found in Asia. Hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 continents of the world, Africa and Asia. So when the female wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. And if you look right there, we have a nest box, similar to the nest boxes we give our hornbills right here in the bird park. Oh, can you guys hear that? That's how great white hornbills vocalize. Okay, let's hear that one more time. Okay, ma'am, can you please get your boy to sit down with you? Thank you very much. Okay, so Vicky here will be inspecting the nest box in a very short while. So she will be making a flight up to my friend Yongi right there. So everyone seated around this area, please remain seated, okay? Alright, Vicky, are you ready? All the way up to Yongi. There you go. Okay, so for the people on that side, you can have a closer look at Vicky. Beautiful bird, isn't she? Okay, so in a very short while, Vicky here will be inspecting her nest box. Let's just give her some time. Okay, now she goes. Vicky, your nest box is to your right. You wanna hop a little? Look at that very cute hop right there. So what Vicky here is doing right now is she is inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Let's just give her some time. And look at that, there she goes. Now once inside, the female will seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. The hole will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Okay, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. There you go, look at that. Vicky, are you still inside? There she is. Now everyone keep your eyes back there. Let us welcome Sunny, another great white hornbill, Jurong bird what happens in the wild. The male will feed the female and the chicks inside the nest for about 3 to 4 months, after which mother and child will leave the nest. Now right here in the bird park, we have been successful in breeding Oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes, just like that one right there. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released them back into the wild, as well as right here in the bird park itself. So do keep your eyes wide open for them while walking around the park. Hi Joe! Now Joe is still to call Sunny down. Looks like he's still enjoying himself right up there. Let's just give him some time. Look at that, here he comes! Oops, he missed you. Let's try this one more time. Sunny? And there you go, hornbills everyone! So once again, just a gentle reminder to please have your mask on at all times, and if you are taking pictures or videos, please turn off your flashes because these bright lights, they may startle the birds. Thank you very much. Nice music. Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. So if you'd like